This is the Forest River Flagstaff ePro 19THW. This sweet compact toy hauler can sleep 2 people and has 98 inches of cargo space to the first cabinet. This trailer's MoreRide airbag suspension is one of a kind, and it also allows you to adjust the ride height from your smartphone. This light, compact toy hauler is the ultimate small trailer for getaways, whether it be a hunting trip to the mountains or a getaway to the trails. This is the Flagstaff ePro 19THW by Forest River. Your next adventure awaits at RV Travel World.